A couple of years prior, cryptographic money probably implied some off-putting or hidden world banking or financial term to individuals including obscure brokers. However, today the whole situation has seen a change in perspective. As a matter of fact, going against the norm, it is the fiat framework whose roots are shaken and pandemic unfit to endure a downturn. Laid out by means of mining, these computerized monetary standards are picking up speed and appear to be enduring all recessionary financial tempests. Basically, digital money is a totally decentralized cash primarily founded on a blockchain calculation. That blockchain organization will affirm and check all new passages into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving cryptographic forms of money viz. Bitcoin, Ethereum, TI likewise include Near Protocol as an overwhelming player. Near Protocol digital currency, let's near the roots. The hardy arrangements presented by Near are the result of the cerebrums and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their exceptional commitment to these noteworthy administrations. Made by engineers Alex Skdanov and Ilya Polosukin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. They made the protocol principally as framework for development to have decentralized applications, dapps. It is no big surprise that it stands contrasted with crypto Goliaths like Ethereum and other driving brilliant agreement-empowered blockchains. Near Protocol's local token is additionally called Near and is utilized to pay for exchange expenses and capacity. Disposing of siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole environment of novel installment doors that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Near custom-tailored of a legacy and values which are established on the system of more noteworthy financial decency and a chance for all through exploration, instruction, and magnanimity. Near Protocol, nearing the benefits. The focal point of Near Protocol has been to satisfy developing customer needs by opening the force of blockchain and find lasting success in definitely speeding up the speed, cost, and dependability of masses, particularly in the manner in which they execute exchanges. Near Protocol has likewise essentially dissolved the job of mediators by welcoming all monetary arrangements on a decentralized framework. With a plenty of contributions, a Near coin is a conspicuous selection of financial backers because of high velocity, cost-effectiveness, and trustworthiness insurance. Near Protocol, as it were, can be known as an equivalent word to facilitator of shrewd agreement and public verification of stake, POS, blockchain with a mentality to be easy to understand, consolidating highlights like comprehensible record names instead of just cryptographic wallet addresses, and the capacity for new clients to collaborate with dapps and savvy contracts without requiring a wallet by any means. With a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding, Near Protocol has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. A crucial benefit of sharding has been to decrease the computational burden by parting or parceling the organization into shards, or sections. This would, thusly, speed up network limit. Near Protocol utilizes a bartering framework to pick validators each age around like clockwork, and validators who have more critical stakes have more impact in the agreement cycle. In light of our near cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The future cost gauge for 2026 is $63.297. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 502.77%. In view of Near Protocol value forecast 2022, the coin could hit its next obstruction level of $14.98 before the current year's over. It is prudent to add a Near token to your portfolio as it holds long-haul procuring potential and it might offer a decent profit from speculation. Near Protocol cost today is around $10.52. Our drawn-out Near cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has an enormous chance of overwhelming its ongoing all-time high, ATH, of $7.56 this year. Notwithstanding, it might reach $12.60 soon, coming to $20 in the event that financial backers have arranged that Near is a wise interest in 2022. The ongoing cost of Near Protocol is around $10.52. In light of our gauge, the coin worth might rise essentially this year. The greatest cost may be around $7.77 toward the finish of 2022. Putting resources into near coins at the ongoing value level would be a decent choice according to our investigation. Cost expectation for near protocol cost states very nearly a comparable assessment. The greatest milestone triumph at the future near cost is that it would cross $10, thus with 5 years, the near cost will worth bet. However, with the expanded gamble of misfortune, we would prescribe near to be a sensibly decent long-haul speculation. Going by the verifiable information, future cost patterns, and our crypto coin cost forecast, the near protocol cost might come to the $10 mark this year with its coalitions and accomplices on an extension binge, keeping fingers crossed. The ongoing cost of near protocol remains at $10.50 with a market cap of $6,788,602,686.69 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $879,909,917.58. The ongoing circling supply of near protocol remains at 645,747,533 near protocol value forecast 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that the near protocol token is ready for a rise sign even in the following year, i.e., 2022. Following the moving example, particularly the manner in which it exchanges inside the bounds of a balanced triangle on the hourly outline, the near coin worth could run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting in the scope of $12, $15. Near protocol value expectation 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for the near coin's team, particularly with rivals making up for lost time, the intensity or the market reflecting monstrous unpredictability. There is an anticipated possibility of near costs causing a misfortune, showing some opposition however just pitiful, dropping to a help level of $16.52 once more. Near protocol value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is normal that near protocol will manage the crypto coin realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $17.92. This is identical to the vary that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021 in the news, which shows near coin cost has maximum capacity going by the example to support as well as could reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Near protocol value expectation 2025. This year could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of the near protocol is anticipated to outperform a normal of $17.92.